Hey, Suffield. Okay, so we know what happened in 2022. Mortgage rates doubled, buyer demand slowed, home sales slowed, which moderated prices. What's being predicted for 2023? Let's spend a moment together for your January Suffield market housing update. First, let's take a look at what's happening in Suffield. In December, 12 homes were sold, which is down from 33% in 2021. 4 new listings came on the market, which was up 33%. The sales price to list price ratio was 101.28%, so that's actually up 10% from 2021. And the average price per square foot was $196, and that's down 2% from 2021. The average days on market in December were 31 days, and that's down 46% from 2021. And we are currently at 1.6 months inventory, and that's up 16% from 2021. So the way that actually works is 6 months is considered a balanced market. Anything more than 6 months is a buyer's market, and anything less than 6 months is a seller's market. So at 1.6 months inventory, we're still extremely low inventory and in a seller's market. If you're thinking of buying or selling a home soon, you might want to know what to expect from the market this year. An article from Housing Wire offers this perspective. The red-hot housing market from the past 2.5 years was characterized by sub-3% mortgage rates, fast-paced bidding war, and a record low inventory. But more recently, market conditions have done an about-face. Now is the opportunity for everyone to become re-educated about what a typical housing market looks like. This year, experts agree we'll see the return of more stability and predictability in the market if inflation continues to ease and mortgage rates stabilize. The 2023 forecast from the National Association of Realtors says, while 2022 may be remembered as a year of housing volatility, 2023 likely will become a year of long-lost normalcy returning to the market. Mortgage rates are expected to stabilize, while home sales and prices moderate after recent highs. Daniel Hale, chief economist at Realtor.com, adds, buyers will not face the extreme competition that was commonplace over the past few years. So what is happening with home prices? Well, first, none of the experts agree. But if you take a look at the data, they're calling anywhere from 5% appreciation to 5% appreciation. But one thing's for sure, no one's calling for a free fall in prices. One of the interesting things that was published recently from the Wall Street Journal is that they took a look at home appreciation pre-pandemic and post-pandemic. If you look at before pandemic, from the fall of 2017 up to the spring of 2020, there was about 12% home price appreciation in that 2.5-year time span. If you think about it, the 2.5 years going into the fall since the beginning of the pandemic, what did we see? A tremendous amount of appreciation across the country in residential real estate at 38%. So would it make sense in some markets and in some cases that we would see a little bit of that comeback? Absolutely. But again, we're not expected to see any sort of free fall in prices out there like you may be hearing. The chief economist at NAR explains that home prices will vary by local area, but will net neutral nationwide as the market continues to adjust. After a big boom over the past 2 years, there will essentially be no change nationally. Half of the country may experience small price gains, while the other half may see slight price declines. So what's the bottom line? The market is still adjusting to the new normal of higher interest rates, and the market will benefit from the continued strong demand and the long-term low supply that we've seen. Thinking of selling this year? Let's connect to see how this information applies to your home. Thanks for your likes, shares, and comments, and if you found this information useful, hit that subscribe button below. All right, this is your January Suffield housing market update. See you next month.